Rebound. Number 7, Garcia with 2 points. Okay, first position goes to the team Bagakay. That's number 15, Lobo. That's the ball to number 18, Pagalejo. Extra pass to Pagalejo. Pagalejo pass out to Manlapas. 10 seconds on the shot clock, turnover. That's the inbound to number 10. Gunnar, Nogi, rebound on Nunez. Magasa, wala. Villamor, rebound de la Cruz. Number 16, ay, lampas. Yes, the basket with a foul for Pagalejo. Basket count, foul number 10. Bonus. Number 18. Getting out. Nunez. Blanca. Sped. Time to shoot. Rebound. Number 7, Garcia with 2 points. Then Blanca 2. Eight minutes. Foul number 22, blocking foul. First foul, Nunez. 7 minutes, 40 points. Pagalejo, crossover. Pull-up jumper, 2 points on number 16.
Bagakay.
Sabi sa number 22. That's Nunez with the ball. Nunez to Garcia. To Villamor. And foul on number 10, Manlapas. There's first again. In jumpers, get ready for the second drop, number 13, Villamor. Three points as score, 7 minutes. That's attacking the defense. 10 on the shot clock. Taken away by Garcia. Garcia to Blanca. 6 minutes and 40. There's Blanca with the ball. Blanca with the running shot. Rebound on number 16. There's Pagalejo with the ball. Pagalejo with the pass. Pagalejo number 18. Rebound on Garcia. There's Garcia with the ball. That's number 24, De La Cruz. That's about the number 18, pull-up jumper, the good. Number 4 with the ball with 6 minutes. That's number 4 with the ball, Garcia. Pagalejo with a rebound. Baseball pass to Lobo. Lobo fake. De La Cruz, 2 points. 3-6. Yes, a score. Simple. 5 minutes 30. Bagalejo to Lobo. Taken away by number 16. There's a pass to Manlapa. There's a fake and out. 2 points on number 10. 3-8 is the score. Five minutes. Blanca to Villamor. Rebound. Bagalejo to Bagalejo. Back the ball to Bagalejo. That's Bagalejo. Miss the ball. Taken away by Garcia. Garcia to Blanca. Blanca to Villamor. 2 points is in. 5-8 is the score. Lobo. That's the ball. Second over by number 7. Pass over to number 13. Villamor. Extra pass. Number 4. Pops it up. 2 points. 7-8. Baba sa isa ang hinahabol ng team Interior. Bagalejo. 4 minutes. Turnover. Traveling. Three minutes 35. De La Cruz played away 2 points on number 24. There's a pass to number 7. There's a pass to number 10. And there's a whistle for sportsmanlike foul on number 10. Nunez moves out. Number 10 moves out. There. 2 shots, ball position. No jumpers allowed inside the paint. 2 shots, ball position. Fourteen on the shot clock. Seven 12. 3 minutes. Foul number 26. Timeout. Over. Four minutes 35 for the first quarter. Four minutes and 10. That's number 26. Pass the ball. There's a block in the defense. Legs up. 2 points. 2 minutes. 1 minute 55. Lobo. De La Cruz. Nugget. Rebound number 18. Bagalejo to number 91. And to shoot. 1 minute 35. There's a stop in clock by number 4. 1 minute 25. That's a throw-in violation.
Sleeping.
9-12. Kalma lang. Rami ni score dali. That's a pass. Number 4 bad ball. Block out with the tips in the pass. Ball.
Same ball.
And to shoot. Wow, what a follow-up by number 17. 11. 12. 1 minute. That's a pass to number 15. Lobo, the shot. Rebound ng Bagalejo. 50 segundos. Attempt for 3. Not good. Rebound ng Villamor. 45 seconds. Number 13, drop the ball. Extra pass, slice it up. 2 points. Sa number 17. Change favor tayo. 13-12. Lamang na lumabay interior. And balik ang lamang sa Barangay Bagakay. 30 seconds. 13, 14. 24 segundos. Garcia, libre masahe. Black. Rebound, De La Cruz, across pass, Lobo, 15 seconds. 12 seconds. Ten seconds. Rebound, 5 seconds. 4 seconds. Bagalejo, 2 seconds. Passer ng kasunod niyan. And of the first quarter, the score is 13-14 and favor of Team
Baga.
Bagakay.